Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very goddess bronzed up inspired look, which is perfect for a Maya party. There's also a giveaway going on my Instagram, so without further ado, let's get started with this video. We are on day 4 of 12 days of wedding bells. If you guys haven't checked out the previous videos, make sure you check them out. I'm using the Frisali Unicorn Essence. This serum smells so amazing and it just helps prep the skin. We're going to be tackling our brows with the Benefit Ka-Brow in 03. Honestly, I have been so obsessed with this. It just works so nicely for my brows, and I'm also pushing down some of the hairs and taming them with the brow gel. For a Maya or Jago party, you want to look really refreshed and make it look like you've been sleeping really well. So I'm taking MAC Peach Lustre and then also NARS Creamy Concealer and Custard and just mixing them together just to even out my skin underneath the eyes and around my lips. I'm taking a Vichy foundation and applying that all over my skin. I just want a very nice and even base. I'm also applying this to my lids. Going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Light. You guys know I love this. For this look, there's a great contrast between the highlight regions and the contour regions. So we really want to add that brightness underneath our eyes and then deepen up the contour regions with our cream contours and powder contours. I'm going to be blending this out with these brushes that I got from Amazon that I talked about on my Snapchat, guys. I've been using these brushes for a while and they work really well and they're very inexpensive. I'm going to be taking the product and cupping it around my cheeks like this. This is just going to make my cheeks look so nice and full. I'm patting everything in with the Beauty Blender because I want it to look seamless. Under my eyes, I have been obsessed with this powder, the RCMA powder. They have it on Amazon, but it's also on beautylish.com. So you guys check that out. And I'm using this to set my under eyes. Today, I'm just using a normal sponge. It's not wet or damp. I'm going to brush away the powder because I don't want it to sit for too long. Now, guys, this was a very bronzed up look. So we're going in with my favorite bronzer, Benefit Hoola bronzer, and layering that on top of that cream that we put down. And I had some horrible dry skin, so I used the Vichy Thermal Water just to combat that. I'm going to be taking Benefit California Blush, which also has a little bit of shimmer in it. I just love doing this trick. It just makes my cheeks look so full. On my lid, I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH. I'm going to be taking this first shade and applying that into my crease. And I'm also sweeping it outwards towards my brow. Picking up a very light champagne color, I'm going to be applying this on my lid. I'm picking up that warm brown, I'm applying this into my crease and then also into the outer edges. I just want this to blur in with that lid shade. Underneath my brows, I wanted that pop of highlight, and I love how this palette gives you that. This is honestly one of my favorite palettes. For eyeliner today, we're going to be using the Santi Kajal in black, and I'm going to be smudging this along my lash line using a angled brush. You can use this brush for eyeliner. I'm going directly in with the eyeliner and then using it with the brush as well and just smoking outwards. I don't want a crazy dramatic wing because I just want the skin and the shadows to be the focus, and also the lip, guys. In the comment section down below, I want to hear from you guys. Are you all about that bold lip, or are you really into that nude-ish lip look? Let me know. I would love to hear from you guys. I'm going to be putting on these beautiful wispy lashes that just really elongate my eyes. I love these lashes, guys. And then I'm going to be setting everything with my primer water by SMASHBOX. I'm going to be taking the 3D highlighter by Huda Beauty in Fiji and applying this to the tops of my cheeks. I just love how this contrasts against that bronzer. This is exactly what I was going for. For this look, I really wanted like that goddess feel, and I wanted the skin to look very glassy, but then also very bronzed up. Then I'm going to be taking ABH Heathers, which is this gorgeous deep red. I didn't use a lip liner today and I kind of regretted it at first, but I made sure that everything was even. I'm throwing on my jewelry, which I got from Golden Dill Jewelry on Instagram, and then just to tie in the lip, I'm using a very beautiful maroon bindi. This is so gorgeous for a Maya party. You can leave your hair straight. And that's a wrap, guys, on day 4 of 12 days of wedding bells. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram for today's giveaway. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you tomorrow in my next one. Thanks guys for watching.